What if your dreams could feel real, not just in your mind, but through your entire body? Welcome to the frontier of immersive experiences, where your eyes, ears, skin, and emotions are no longer separate. It begins with full-scale VR theme parks like the Void and Sandbox. Real-world spaces mapped perfectly to digital illusions. You walk down a corridor, you touch a wall, you feel wind, heat, even rain. And yet, none of it is real. Next, underwater VR pods. Your body floats weightlessly, while your mind explores glowing alien reefs. Some of these pods are used for trauma therapy, healing through motionless drift, sound, and color. Now imagine your own home transformed. Your bedroom becomes a medieval throne room, your hallway an alien jungle. With mixed reality, your kitchen becomes a sci-fi lab, your floor becomes lava, your ceiling open sky. Every sound reacts to you. Footsteps echo differently on digital stone than in your carpeted reality. And that sensation on your skin, that's a full-body haptic suit. It simulates wind, heat, vibration, and even cold. Every pixel feels like texture. The suit listens too. AI sensors adapt touch based on your emotions, adjusting intensity in real time. This isn't fiction. Soldiers train in these worlds. Psychologists treat PTSD in virtual memories. Artists use them to build empathy. They don't just show stories, they let you live them. Want to feel grief without losing someone? Joy without a cause? You can. One moment you're swimming with whales, the next, you're walking through your childhood home. What if memories could be stored and then stepped back into? Scientists are mapping real memories into VR, recreating moments with frightening accuracy. This isn't just escape anymore, it's evolution. The human mind is learning to exist in two worlds at once. As the virtual and physical blur, we'll need new rules, new ethics, and maybe even new identities. Because what we touch may not be real, but what we feel always is. Are you ready to feel your next reality? Subscribe to Meta Mind Mythos and discover what truth really means.
Feel your next truth.